Today, I'm going to give you one of the strategies I used during my early days in cryptocurrency to earn over $20,000. So during those times, I really didn't know much about cryptocurrency. I don't know how to trade, how to do futures or spot or anything, but there's this advice and strategy I got from someone, and I was lucky enough to actually have the guts to try it out, and it gave me quite a good amount of rewards. So I'm going to be giving you this because I know that this is going to be beneficial to you, whether you're a guru in cryptocurrency or you're just a beginner who doesn't know anything. You'll be able to understand this and use it properly for your own good. So without wasting much of your time, let's go ahead and get the content started. But before we do that, kindly go ahead and subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and share the video to your friends. It costs you nothing to do that, and you'll be able to support the channel grow and be able to give me the morale or the vibe that you actually want to learn more from this channel concerning things like this. Okay, so it depends on you, on how you guys interact with this. That will determine if I should be giving you guys more content like this in the future, so you can be able to make more money for yourself, right? Okay, so I believe you've done that right now. Let's go ahead and get started. So the very first thing I want to show you is what is happening in most cryptocurrencies in the market when it comes to new cryptocurrencies. So once you come to Binance, there is this option called new listing. It should be on every single one of your Binance accounts. Go ahead and click on that. You see that we have several cryptocurrencies over here, and some of them are doing quite well. Of course, some are not doing well, some are doing well. It all depends on when it has been listed. So the current date at which I'm making this video is 23rd of October 2025. I don't know when you might be watching the video, but that is the current date I'm currently making the video. And if you look clearly, you can see that the last one launched yesterday from the day I'm making this video. And the strategy alone does not really permit a good amount of profit after the day one. The day one, it does not really permit a good amount of profit after that day. But this one is good enough to actually continue making this amount of profit over this period of time. Now, before we proceed, I want to say something. This strategy you see is not only for people who want to hold. It's mostly for people who want to swap quickly, who want to snipe the market quickly. As the market is launching, they're entering and exiting as quick as possible, right? But if you're a person who wants to hold quickly, you can also watch this, who wants to hold the cryptocurrency for a long time, you can also watch this video to see the type of cryptocurrencies you should hold for a long time and the ones you should not hold, no matter what. So quickly, let's go ahead and click on this particular first one over here that says, that is called Turtle. So I'll click on that. It's going to bring me over to the Turtle USDT page. Remember, this launched yesterday, so there shouldn't be much market data on it. So I'll quickly let's close this. But that is practically bashing me with notice that this cryptocurrency is probably unstable and stuff like that. But regardless, here's what I want you to take a look at: the activities going on in this chart. Now, we all know how to read candles, right? The bottom is where the market starts, which in this case is here. The market starts, and the top where the wick of the candle touched is where the market hits. Now, you don't need to be told that as for this market, judging by the horizontal and diagonal line I have here, the price started at 0.15 and it went up as much as 0.445. You and I know that this is well over 300%, right? 200% of 0.15 is 0.3, and 300% of that is 4.5. And if we look over here, you can see that it went above 4.5 something, just above that amount. It did 3x, right? So if you actually entered this market with $100, you are easily cashing out $300. Now, some markets over here, some markets actually do more than 300%. Market do 1,000%, or so on and so forth. So let's go back and take a look at another cryptocurrency and see how many percent it did during the time it launched. Alright, so I will go on a later date which has slightly more detail or more information in it than this particular one shake, which is ZBT. And once you come to ZBT, the very first thing we'll shake is the candlesticks. That's the charts, right? Remember, if you're using this strategy, you are not supposed to be doing this late. You're supposed to be doing it during the time the market launched. Now you can see as well that the same thing happened over here. Market launch, highest weak point, right? So judging by the horizontal and vertical line as well, we can see clearly that the launching price is about 0.3 and the highest price attained at the time is about 0.88, right? So 0.3 times 2 is 0.6. So it didn't get up to 300%, or 3x, but it nearly got up to 3x. Regardless, this would have been still an easy cash out for so many people as well. So if I'm to say, judging by what we're seeing over here, 2x of your money is good. You put in $100, you cash out $200 within a few minutes. I think it's a good deal. Now, subsequently, I also like to go for things with huge, potentials. For example, let's go for ENSO. I've never really checked ENSO, right? But somehow I think it might have huge potential. Or better still, let's go for EULA. EULA has been launched for a while and it's currently at $7. Now, one of the ways I detect cryptocurrencies that have potential is based on their prices. They must not be insane prices, but they should not be at the decimals by a lot, right? So let's see what happened in EULA. So EULA launched at 7.631 and it got all the way up to 11.915. So EULA didn't do 2x. It didn't get up to 2x, but it's there. So quickly, in order to address the issue of which cryptocurrencies should I hold for long and which cryptocurrencies should I make sure I sell as much as possible. Because for example, if you are trading this with EULA and then you entered the market but you couldn't make profit with coins like this EULA, then I have not checked, but my guts or my instinct is telling me that there is a very high chance that you remaining in this market or having this token as a long-term trade will be beneficial to you regardless. Although it might take way longer than you expect since you already missed out on that opportunity to snipe it out, but still, it is still likely going to end up in profit. But let's see EULA before I judge. Let's go ahead and type EULA in CoinMarketCap. This is the token right here, the first one, EULA. I see the price is 7.55, so it's the same. So the very first thing to take a look at before you look at every other thing once you come to coins like this is the maximum supply or the total supply. Now, if you take a proper look at this particular place where we have the data right here, so you can see clearly that we have the total supply of EULA to be 27.18 million EULA. Now, some of you don't know what this means. Some of you think that this is just another cryptocurrency. Well, it's not, right? Let me show you something. Let's go and look for BTC. Keep this number in mind, 27.18 million. Total supply means that they can never exceed this supply. This is the total amount that is in the market. But of course, you can do more researches on this token, but the fact that Binance listed it is a very good sign for them, right? But you can do more research on them. Me personally, I think this token can easily hit $200 in the very near future. I mean it, like $200 easily, right? Let's check BTC, USDT. Let's say Bitcoin. So coming to Bitcoin, there's over $100,000. Let's see the total supply of Bitcoin. You can see that total supply of Bitcoin is 19.93 million Bitcoin. And the maximum supply is 21 million Bitcoin. 21 million Bitcoin. Check it and check EULA. What is the difference? Just a few millions, right? You might want to say, oh, this is basically what most cryptocurrencies are all about. But here, guess what? Let's take a look at something. Let's go back and find the cryptocurrency that I don't think is really doing that super well. I don't know about Turtle, but let's check Turtle. Let's type out Turtle. Okay, so since I have to type it to the fullest. Turtle, I think this should be it. Yes. Let's go and click on that and look at the maximum supply of Turtle. So you can see that the maximum supply of Turtle is 1 billion and total supply is 1 billion. Take a look at the price and take a look at the EULA and tell me if you see a difference. Of course, 1 billion is not really a lot, but still, you can see that the prices are affecting the market, right? The quantity is affecting the market, sorry. So regardless of how you put it, once you check the total supply of a cryptocurrency and it's below 200 million or 200 million below, that is a gold, right? If you can buy that cryptocurrency for a cheaper price. Personally, I do not have a spare cash in my Binance account right now. I would have bought this. I've bought all cryptocurrency with all my money in Binance. I'm a very big investor in Binance when it comes to in cryptocurrency, sorry. Although there's a lot of risk in it, but I put all my money there. I prefer it there than for it to be in USDT or in my bank account, right? So once I get the money to put into EULA, my hope is to get EULA as cheap as $5 if possible. If the price can drop to that low, I will definitely buy EULA and hold it out for at least $200, giving me at least minimum of $30,000 to $50,000 based on the quantity I wish to buy from it. So that's actually something you need to keep in mind. So that's it. So quickly, let's move straight to how you can be able to spot new cryptocurrencies that you can use. Right? All I just did right now to show you a proof that the strategy is working and also show you how to identify coins you should be able to hold for a long time if you want to, and those you should make sure you sell immediately without having to hold it. Sell it while the iron is hot. Sell it while the pipe is going. Do not hold those ones. Any token that has at a maximum of 500 million total supply or maximum supply and above. I say 500 million because 500 million can take years to actually start seeing good results in it, but 1 billion can take way more longer, and anything above 1 billion, well, you're likely gonna get stuck in decimal for the rest of the cryptocurrency life unless the cryptocurrency asset decides to do something drastic about that, right? So quickly, let's see how to know when a new cryptocurrency is gonna be listing. All you have to do is to go to Binance announcement page and head over to their new cryptocurrency listing. Now, this new cryptocurrency listing over here is where they will list every cryptocurrency that they want to launch. They might list it a day before, they might list it a few hours before, or they might list it a few minutes before they launch, right? So this is currently, it all depends on the cryptocurrency builders, right? I think maybe if they settle with Binance enough, Binance will list it as early enough to create awareness and people will be able to buy it as much as possible. It all depends on them, right? So this is Turtle, the last one that listed. You can see that it was listed on Binance. It says that it's gonna be added in Binance Earn, Buy Crypto, Convert, and so on and so forth. This was listed yesterday and the cryptocurrency launched yesterday, right? So this one is futures. Always be mindful of this one. Says futures trading. The price could still rise, but it will not be as much as it will rise during new launching. So if you take a proper look at this over here, you can see that Turtle has already been spoken about in Binance before, prior to its launching on 21st of October 2025. So for people who actually do know how to trade with DEXs, which is the decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, SushiSwap, all those ones, seeing that a cryptocurrency is being talked about in Binance should give you the leverage to enter into DEXs and buy it as quickly as possible, right? Those ones do have their risk, but if you ask me, I think it's worth it. Those ones, instead of you buying it at a more expensive price, you buy it at a cheaper price. That is if they are already in the market, right? Most cryptocurrencies launch indexes before they go into the centralized exchanges, right? You can take a proper look at this. You can see that several cryptocurrencies are being launched. They have the ones that will be added into the buy crypto, convert, and margin. They have introduction. This introduction to zero base. I don't know if they've launched the zero base, but for them to be talking about ZBT, let's take a proper look at this and see if they've launched the ZBT. All right, so okay, they've launched it. Okay, unfortunately, guys, they've launched it. Okay, so this is ZBT, but had it been that they've not launched it, the very best thing to do is to go ahead and use your decentralized exchange to buy ZBT. But they've launched it. Okay, so basically I'm just giving you the game right here. Okay, once they start talking about it, keep your attention on that token. You can actually buy it maybe with $10, with $50 if you want to, and get ready to make a lot of money from it. So this basically how to be able to spot new listings on cryptocurrencies on Binance. Yeah, so we've actually come to the end of this video. I know it became unexpectedly lengthy, but I hope you actually watched this video to this point, because you would have learned a lot of things from this particular content. I'll be giving you guys more updates on different ways you can make money in cryptocurrency. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up, and also share the video to friends and family to keep them updated on the crypto market as well. See you in the next one. Take care.